Have you guys ever just bought a cheap drone and lost it? Well,
yeah! Hi.
What's up, man? So guys, about a month ago,
You lost one.
I lost Riker's drone. He did get really mad. I flew it up in the air. It's really hard. It was really hard to use.
It wasn't or it wasn't heavy enough.
No, it definitely wasn't heavy. I used it on a windy day. It went up, I took it up way too high, and the wind just carried it so far away. Of course, you have to buy me a new drone. So, today we have this drone right here. This is a Voyage Aeronautics. We picked this up at Walmart. We wanted to test this one out for you guys since it was a $40 drone and it came with a camera. What is he doing? What is he doing? This is the PA-1003. So let's go ahead and get this thing open and see how cool this thing is.
Yeah!
Guys, let me show you everything that came with this drone. There was a lot of stuff. This is the drone. Well, what, you want to show some stuff? The blade, the propellers fold in, which is pretty neat, all of them. So you can actually fold it up and to carry it with you. That's pretty cool.
Like in a backpack,
yeah.
in a pocket.
It's definitely heavier than the last one. So it does have a camera on it. That's what we really wanted.
If y'all don't see it, it's right there.
This is the controller. This is gonna be the phone mount for the controller. It had 4 spare propellers. It has the blade guards. You don't have to have the blade guards, but it is recommended for beginners. It also came with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
The battery charger. It also comes with this mini SD card reader where you just stick your mini SD card in there and put this into the computer. The one thing you will need that this thing doesn't come with is a mini SD card that's gonna slide in right there.
Also, guys, subscribe. It says.
When you want to take out the battery,
Hit the bell.
And hit the bell. All right, so you just kind of press down and pull out, and that's the battery to charge. This is a really cool battery.
Oh.
It's got little plus and minus things on the battery charger so you know where you're lining it up at. Controller is gonna require 3 AAA batteries, not included also. You will have to download the Voyage 1003 app. This is the app you're gonna have to download if you wanna use the app and be able to stream to your phone. So we're really excited about this. We're getting this thing charged. As soon as it's charged, we'll take it outside. We took it outside, it did not work, right, Riker?
It's too windy.
It's way too windy outside. All right, here we go.
Oh no.
Go back, forward. Oh, I can control it a little bit now. Oh, come back this way. Backward. Oh. Backwards. Forwards. Down, up. Backwards. Oh, spin this one. Spin it. Forward to me. Backwards to Riker. Oh. Land it. That was the longest we flew this thing. That was actually pretty good.
I tried?
I'm a little nervous to let you try. All right, so this is gonna be Riker giving it an attempt. Now leave it about that level, right there. That's good. Backwards. Pull it back. Good. Tap the up button just a little bit. No, the other one I told you don't push. Just a little bit. Tap it up. Pull back. Oh, he's getting it. All right, go right there. Go sideways. There you go. Just so you can learn how to use it. Maybe it is a beginner. Pull back. There you go. You're getting it, dude. Oh, this is pretty sweet now. Oh, land it for a second. Wait. If you think you got it, keep going. I think he's got it. Ooh, he landed that thing. Dang. Maybe I should have let you teach me how to do it. This is a pretty sweet drone. Riker's actually better than I am.
I guess I'm a pro or actually a beginner.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we figured out how to set up the camera on the drone. Check it out. So it's looking right there. And look, here, you can see me. Oh, here, let me just pick it up. You can see me. I'm looking at the drone right now. Let's see. You can see me looking at the drone. I'm right here.
I'm starting it.
I'm recording. Hold on.
It's gonna hit you.
Hold on. Hold on, dude. Hold on.
I
Let's
know
see.
where you are.
I know. Hold on. Give me a second. All right, go. Set it down. All right, we got it all set up. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you see me? Okay. I wonder if it moves the camera down or it only stays one position. That's okay. We'll mess with that later. All right. Ready? All right, go. Set it down. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right, I need you to record. All right.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you right there. All right, here we go. All right, Helen, pretty chill. Hey, don't get so close. I'm gonna go that way. Now forward. Now I'm gonna come back.
Playing.
And, hold on, let me go forward and I'm gonna land, okay? Up this way. And forward. And I'm gonna land right now. Woo!
Better than me.
That's
Better
pretty
than me.
good. Set it in the middle. Let me go one more time.
It's flying. Oh, there you go. Flying. The bird's flying. Can you see me? Hi. Lands like a helicopter. Come down. Down. Forward.
No, just sit down like landed. Guys, that was a cool drone. What'd you think?
Yeah.
What'd you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
He was able, he
Look
controls
where
it a little
I
bit.
am.
Yeah, look at that. We can kind of see it right there. It's just looking at the laundry hamper.
I can make it look at us.
So that was the drone. If you liked it, hit that like button. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Later.